A topic on thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a study of the substance which is in state of either gas, liquid or solid when it is subjected to heat. So normally substances will be classified into three states. One is gas, another one is liquid, and third one is solids. Now in gases, it will take the shape of the container and the distance between the particles is very large and the attractive force is very small and compared to liquids and solids. Whereas in case of liquids, the distance between the molecules are very, to some extent, are closely packed, are somewhat lesser than the gases, and it will be in motion. The liquid will take the shape of motion of the container. Whereas solid is a closely densely packed material. The atomic bond, molecular bonding is very large, and the molecules are closely packed. So the thermodynamics is the subject when we are supplying heat to either gas, liquids or solids. The behavior of particles is what is called thermodynamics. The dynamics of particles is what is called thermodynamics. In gases, if you are heating, the distance between particles will keep on increasing and the density will be lowered. Whereas in case of liquids, the distance will be still keep on increasing, and at the melting point, the molecules will escape from surfaces. Whereas in solids, when you're heating the at one end, the nearest portion of the material will be vibrated more, and the vibration will be transmitted to the distance places. So the temperature distribution will be like this. When you're heating at one end, here the temperature will be rising, the atomic vibrations will be, molecular vibrations will be large, and the vibration will be transmitted to the next level, next molecules, and the temperature will be keep on rising when compared to the before heating of the solid. Now observe a balloon. Take a balloon. Now initially the balloon is at atmospheric pressure, and the outside pressure is also atmospheric pressure. Now when you started heating the balloon, the distance between the particles will be increased because of the molecular heat, molecular vibrational heat. Now the density will be keep on reducing. Now when the density is reduced, this balloon will be floating on the atmosphere. So it will be keep on rising to the highest level. So the balloon will be keep on moving upside. Whereas in case of liquids, if you heat the liquid at the bottom portion of the container, the density will be start reduced. Now because of the reduction of this liquid, this liquid material will be floating upside and the higher density will be replaced. Like that, the higher density will be keep on lower and lower density will be keep on upside, and the whole water will be heated, water liquid will be heated, and when you are still further heating, the particles at certain temperature will be escaping from the surface of the liquid. Now this is called liquid thermodynamics. So here this concept is called convection. Convection heat transfer. That means the heat will be transmitted from the surroundings to the container and it will be, whereas in case of solids, so if you take a bar and if you heat this bar at 100 degrees centigrade, initially the surrounding is 32 degrees centigrade. Now the temperature at this particular point will be vibrated very large, and the next molecules will be transmitted the vibration, and the vibration will be keep on raised, and the temperature will be 100 degrees to say some 50 or 60 degrees centigrade. The temperature will be transmitted like this. So this is what the thermodynamics of the three substances.